14 punctuation marks. Period. The period is used to end a sentence. For example, I am going to the store. Comma. The comma is used to separate items in a list, clauses in a sentence, and to indicate a pause in a sentence. For example, I need to buy milk, eggs, and bread at the store. Exclamation mark. The exclamation mark is used to show strong emotion or emphasis. For example, I can't believe I won the lottery. Question mark. The question mark is used to indicate a question. For example, what time is it? Colon. The colon is used to introduce a list or to emphasize a point. For example, there are 3 things I need from the store: milk, eggs, and bread. Semicolon. The semicolon is used to separate 2 independent clauses that are closely related. For example, I have to work tonight, however, I'll be off tomorrow. Quotation marks. Quotation marks are used to indicate direct speech or a quote. For example, she said, I'll be there at 6 o'clock. Apostrophe. The apostrophe is used to indicate possession or to show the omission of letters. For example, the cat's fur is soft. Don't forget to bring your umbrella. Hyphen. The hyphen is used to link words together or to indicate a word break at the end of a line. For example, well known or re-enter. Dash. Dash. The dash is used to indicate a break in thought or to emphasize a point. For example, the weather outside it's terrible is making me want to stay inside. Parentheses. Parentheses are used to enclose extra information in a sentence. For example, John, who is my neighbor, is a doctor. Brackets. Brackets are used to enclose additional information in a quote. For example, he said, I can't believe the team won the game. Ellipsis. The ellipsis is used to indicate that something has been left out of a quote or to show a pause in speech. For example, she said, I'm not sure. Or he said, I really love that movie, but it's hard to explain. Slash. Slash. The slash is used to indicate a choice between 2 options. For example, do you prefer chocolate/vanilla ice cream? Thanks for watching.